after you get married, you do have to become someone else. I will repeat that because it's going to be on the test. And I know that this causes confusion in a lot of people. So I'm going to say this again, and you won't hear this out there. On the contrary, out there you will hear the following: you cannot start being who you are. No, you can't get into a relationship and stop being who you are. You can't stop being who you are. Don't let that person change you. Yeah, I want somebody who loves me just the way I am and is not going to want me to change. That's so off track. You're lost in the woods. Lost in a fairy tale. Do I speak or will you? What can I say? Why isn't it like that in real life? Because when you're married, you are, in fact, obligated to become, you must become someone else for your marriage to work. Detail, someone better than you are. It's not just someone else that because of the change you'll certainly become upset, depressed, canceled out because you can't be who you were. No, it's not that. I'm saying you have to become a better person. Better than you were when you were single. Because now you have someone who is bringing another set of qualities to you. Someone who gives you immediate feedback. So this is the legacy you have to pass on. Parents are caregivers. We take care of the children. We raise our children for them to leave us. And when they leave us, we stay together again. Our son is already married. He already has his daughter. We are grandparents. What? No. We are not making it up. How wonderful that is. Really good. He went to live his life. He formed his own family. He is now beating his brains out to also become one in his marriage. But we are here. Look at this. How wonderful this is. We'll be 30 years married in July this year. Do you believe it?